Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the mesh. Freeze transforms, delete history, and fix normals so texture reads correctly. Next, open the UV editor and unwrap using automatic or planar, then relax UVs to remove distortion. Assign a material to the object, create a file node, and connect your image to the material's color. Once done, make sure UV shells match the image layout. This prevents seams and stretching and establishes the foundation for accurate texture placement. Now you expand beyond base color. Add normal and roughness maps for surface detail and a displacement map when actual geometry variation is required. In Hypershade, connect each file node to the corresponding material attribute and set color spaces, sRGB for color, raw for data maps, because incorrect color space breaks lighting. Then enable Viewport 2.0 with high-quality rendering and turn on texture and normal map support so you can preview results interactively. This gives immediate feedback on how finish by baking any necessary maps like ambient occlusion or curvature when you need texture-driven detail. Then switch to your final renderer, Arnold, for example, and do test renders adjusting roughness, specular, and displacement height. Once done, inspect renders at 100% to confirm fidelity. If you see seams or odd shading, make sure UV shells aren't overlapping, verify each file node uses the correct color space, and confirm map resolution matches your UV texel density.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.